Today we're going to make a yarn doll. To make a yarn doll, you will need a piece of cardboard that's about 5 inches tall, yarn enough to loosely wrap around the cardboard 40 times, 4 strips of yarn, and scissors. Alright, the first string is going to go around everything. Sticking it under all the string, and I'm going to tie it at the top. Tie it tight. Tie it twice. Then we'll give it a snip just past the knot. And now I'm going to cut all the rest of the yarn off the cardboard. This is the side opposite the knot, so I tie it all together. Make sure both sides are even. If you need to, slip the knot to the middle. Now I'm going to tie the head. Tie it tight. Tie it twice. And then cut just past the knot. Not on the knot, not close to the knot, just past the knot. So the knot stays a knot. Alright, now here's a question. How many pieces of yarn do we have hanging down now? Remember, I wrapped the board 40 times and I cut it in half. How many strings are hanging there? What's 40 times 2? 80. There are 80 strings hanging down now. If there are 80 strings, how many am I going to use for each arm and each leg? What's 80 divided by 4? 20. I'm going to use 20 pieces of yarn for each arm and each leg. So let's count off 20 for the arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Alright, now I'm going to tie it roundabouts to the middle, not too long. We don't want to make apes, we want to make people. So in the middle, I'm going to tie it tight. I'm going to tie it twice. Snip. Now, just past the knot, maybe about a ½ inch or so, I'm going to cut the hands. Just past the knot so that everything stays tied together. Do the same thing on the other side with 20 pieces of yarn. Right in the middle, tie it tight, tie it twice. The hand past the knot. If I've got some shorter ones and some longer ones, maybe use the shorter ones for your arms. Now I'm going to make a belt right in the middle. Tie it tight, tie it twice. This is for the waist. Now I should have about 40 hanging down. If you don't have 40, just use half for each leg. 20, 21. Alright. Make this one as long as you can. Tie it tight. Tie it twice. And then just cut them even. I might be cutting a little much off here, but it's okay. And then do the same thing on the other side. Make the other leg as long as you can. Tie it tight, tie it twice. And there you go. There's our yarn doll.